So, welcome to Elephant Truck, guys. Behind me is the elephant truck. We are here in
Welcome.
two elephant truck.
Welcome.
Yeah. Doon. So, as in, madaming tao dito, guys, kasi nag-abang sila ng sunset. Supposed to be, guys, mas early kaming pupunta dito. Kaya lang, yung mga kasamahan namin kanina, na-trap sila doon sa traffic kasi mayroong activity doon sa main city ng Hegra or ng AlUla. Kaya, na-delay ang aming pagpunta dito. Kaya instead na before sunset, ngayon sunset na nung pagdating namin dito. Hindi na namin naabutan yung before sunset. Kaya, as you can see, madilim na talaga yung paligid. So, madaming talagang cars, guys. Elephant Rock Case is truly a magnificent work of nature. So, welcome to Elephant Truck, guys. Behind me is the elephant truck. Behind the elephant truck, guys, you can find a lot of coffee shops and mostly coffee shops actually where you can dine and relax and enjoy the night. So ngayon, hindi nyo actually makikita kasi sobrang dilim na. Lights lang yung nakikita nyo actually. Pero pag andito kayo, ma-appreciate nyo talaga yung place kasi maganda siya. So from here guys, we'll go to the old town of AlUla. And that will be on my next vlog. Well, see you then. Bye. God bless everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe.